Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Ignition. By using Ignition, you can automate your launch process and you can build better go-to-market plans for your brand or for your business or for your company. And the cool thing is they are claiming that they are the alternative of Asana and Airtable. And I hope you are familiar with Asana and Airtable. They are very well-known and famous company for project management and for business management tool. So these are the things, and they are claiming that it's best for project managers and founders. That means founders for company or founders for business, etc. And now what you can do with this tool? With Ignition, you can manage your launches end to end with road mapping, planning, documentation, task, asset management, and collaboration all in one place. So you can do a lot of things in one place, guys. Here there have you can do road mapping, planning, documentation, task, asset management, and collaboration. These all kinds of work you can do with this one tool basically. So these are the things, and this tool have launched on AppSumo just today. As of now, I am recording this video, and if you see their lifetime deal pricing from here, they are offering up to license tier 3, and on license tier 1 you will get 3 editor, on license tier 2 you will get 6 editors, and on license tier 3 you will get 10 editors. Now what this editor is, I will show you after some time, but only the difference is between these editors, guys. The number of editor will vary according to this license tier. So depending on your need, you have to get the license tier, and license tier 3 pricing is 199 USD, but you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. So these are the things, guys, and see, these are the features that you will get with all of these tiers. I hope you get the idea, guys. Just go through this page and read the documentation, but I do not want to waste your time. So without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Ignition and let's explore what have inside their dashboard. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. If you're interested to join such group that is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market, then you are cordially invited to join. I will give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, before going to the dashboard, one another thing I want to show you, guys. Here have a summary what you can do with this tool. You can here have strategic documentation, internal communication. There you can do measurement and reporting. You can have collaboration option here. You can do your company or your tool budgeting here. You can have your competitor research or your customer research using this tool. You will get here asset management system, and you will also get here project and task management system. So this is a short summary of this tool. You can do this all types of things basically by using this tool. Now this is the dashboard that you will get whenever you will log in or sign up on Ignition. Now I will show you a step-by-step process what you can do with this tool. So here have the option for workplace. See, my workplace name is Pass ITS. So if I click here on this workspace, then you will get these types of feature basically, and from here you can do white labeling. So you can upload here your logo, you can change your company name, you can change the type of your company from here, you can add your team member basically from here, and here have the billing option. So suppose I'll upload one of my logo here. Let me upload one logo or one image here. Suppose this is my logo. So see, it's uploading and the logo has been uploaded. And similarly, I will invite one of my team member here. Suppose my team member name is maybe Orun, and suppose this is his email, and you can also select the role. See, there have admin role, editor role, and viewer role. Suppose I will select here editor role. That means I'm assigning this person as the editor of my Ignition dashboard. So then I will send the invitation to him and he will get the invitation basically. So these are the things. In this way you can invite your team member on your Ignition dashboard and on a specific workspace, and this workspace is basically, guys, this number of editor. So if you need multiple editor or if you need more than 3 editor, then you can upgrade it to license tier 2 or 3. So I hope you get the idea, guys. Now I hope you get the idea about this workspace also. I'm going back from this workspace. And here another thing is, if I click here on this profile icon, from here you can change your personal details. You can change your name, your job title, you can reset the password, these types of thing, guys. I'm not wasting time here. Now the main features are here available: launch plan, launch calendar, product roadmap, and release note. So if I go to this launch plan, and here see create launch plan, I have to create the launch plan. So I'm creating, just select here create launch plan, and here add the name of your launch. Suppose I'll add beta test 101. So this is the name of my new launch. Suppose I'm going to launch a new product or new software, so the name of the software is suppose beta test 101. And here you can select the launch date. Suppose launch date is 10, and launch type product, feature, campaign, event, company, and other. Suppose I'll select it as a product. And then launch tier, there have major tier, medium tier, minor tier, and help me to choose. Here have another option, and here have the instruction how you can choose the tier. So these are the things you can go through this instruction, and you can choose your launch tier basically. But in my case, I'm choosing here major tier 1. And product line, suppose the product line is maybe growing business. You can add anything as product line, and then just click here create plan, and your plan will be created. See, this is the plan. And see, here have a lot of things. There have launch summary, major milestone, launch objectives, key metrics and KPIs, target audience, and then positioning strategy, messaging, pricing and packaging, promotion channel, budget allocation. These all things will be created automatically, and these all things are basically very important features to launch a new product basically on the market. And if you need more, you can add new module from here. And see, here is the launch summary. You can add the details about your product here. Suppose I'll add one text just for test purpose here. Suppose this is the text, I'm copying it, and then I'll paste it here. See, I have been added these things. And here you can set major milestones. Suppose this is milestone 1, milestone 1. And then there have option for the date of this milestone. Suppose this milestone you will achieve on this 13th May. So see, here is the timing, and you can set up these things basically from here. And you can add here as many milestone you want. Just click here on this plus icon, you can add new milestone from here. Suppose this is milestone 2, and then select the date for this milestone. So these are the things, guys. You can do these types of things basically from here. I hope you get the idea about this milestone feature. After that, they have launch objectives. So if I go to this launch objectives, see, this is launch objectives, and you can scroll these things from here. Also, you can get this feature from this left hand side basically. And the launch objective, here you have to select the launch objective. And the cool thing is, if you don't understand anything, just select this I button. Here they have been explained what these features are about. See, this launch objectives is about key business marketing and comms objective OKRs for the launch. Suppose this tool will help people to grow their online business. Suppose grow online business, this is the objective of this product. And then here have the option for key metrics and KPI. You can edit this all things, guys, basically. Suppose here I will edit launch objectives 1 see, it has been edited. So you can edit all the things. All the things are editable here. And you can add similarly here key metrics and KPI. See, here have the KPI. Suppose the KPI name is maybe revenue. See, this is the KPI name, and the target is maybe, suppose, let me select 1000 USD, or yes, 1000 USD, and actual target is maybe 900 USD. And then they have option for delta, it will be calculated automatically. After that, they have option for dollar sign, percentage sign, and here also have option for another currency basically. So I'm selecting here dollar. So I hope you get the idea. After that, here have target audience. So you can create here your audience persona. And these types of persona basically will help you to run your marketing campaign in future. So see, there have target audience, and on this target audience section you have to create your audience persona basically. And see here, by default one persona has been created. You can add as many persona if you want. Suppose I will add another persona. Just click here, add, and here you can give the name. Suppose this is persona 1, or this is persona 2, and occupation is maybe teacher. And here see, you can select the demographics detail. You can select the age from here. You can select the gender and location, industry, company size, income, and you can delete all these things. You can add these things just by clicking here, and you can add new category basically from here. Suppose I will add another thing. Suppose parenting, and here just click here, and here add the value yes or no. Suppose they are parents. So these are the things, guys. You can add here your goal, your job to be done day to day, then alternatives, that means how do they solve this problem today, then frustration, what are their biggest frustration or challenges, category, perceptions, that means what's their past experience with product like yours, been like, buying process, media consumption. So you can add these things here basically. Just add these things here, and you can get this idea in future when you will launch this product. So these are the things, guys. And if you want to add more block, just click here, add block, and then here add title. Suppose here I will add maybe competitor. See, this is competitor, and suppose the competitor is AppSumo. So these are the things. You can add these types of things from here, and it will help you to launch your product with more productivity, guys. See here, you can note down all the things. You can note down here your goals. You can note down what is the job that they are hiring your product to do, and you can here keep track what's a typical day in their life look like. And you can here keep summarization, or you can here keep note all the key features or all the key problem behind your product, and you can solve this problem for your customers. And if you can solve the problem for your customer, then definitely your business will boom. So these are the things, guys. And after that, if I scroll down, see, there have positioning strategy, and there have messaging. After that, they have pricing and packaging. You can select the pricing, bundling, promotion and discount features from here. And see, there have the promotion channel. See, there have the promotion channel. So if I continue from here, and here I have to select the budget. Suppose here they're asking that what's your promotional budget for this launch. Suppose my budget is 10,000 USD. And after that, they're asking, will this product have a sales team involved? Suppose the involved team is sales lead. And then they are asking that at a high level, what is your strategic approach to marketing for this launch? Suppose it is maybe category growth. And then, is this launch going to change your pricing or bundling or introduce a new price product? Suppose I'll select no. You can also select yes, and then generate. It will generate the promotional channel for you by its artificial intelligence basically. And see, here have the paid channel. That means on which paid channel you want to run your campaign for this product. And you can add more paid channels. Just click here on this plus icon. See, there have search ads, there have other digital ads, TV, radio, podcast, out of homes, prints, sponsorship. Suppose I'll select sponsorship also. So this sponsorship option will be added here. Now here you have to select how much budget you will give here on this sponsorship option. Just click here on this plus icon, and here select your budget. Suppose the budget is 1000 USD, and here you can add the note. See, note here, and then save it. So the budget has been added. Now, on how much time period you want to spend this budget. Suppose you want to spend this budget from 11 to 8 April. So you can select these things from here. Similarly, you can select these types of marketing budget for this social ad. So suppose I will add this social ad here, and the budget for social ad is 2000 USD, and then save it. And see, here are the budget for social ad. So these are the things. Similarly, there have earned channels option, and you can add new earned channels from here. There have a lot of earned channel option, and there have owned channels option, website update, blog post, customer email newsletter, customer email dedicated, then push notification, social posting. That means on which feature how much budget you have, and on which time period you have been spent this amount. You can keep track these things basically from here. And these are the things basically here on this promotional channel option. After that, there have budget allocation. So see here on this budget allocation, it's a table of how the launch budget is being allocated. You can select this thing. Suppose the activity name is paid ads, or maybe FB ads, and the budget for this, suppose 500 USD. So the total budget is 500 USD. See, it's calculating automatically. And then if I click here plus, and suppose this activity name is Google ads, and the budget for Google ads may be, let's say, 1500 USD. And see, the total will be calculated by default or automatically. So these are the things. You can also enter a note for your budget allocation. Now suppose these features are not sufficient for you, you need more module, then just go here, add module, and add the module, and then you can do, and you can edit it by your own or depending on your need. These are the things, guys. I hope you get the idea. You can do a complete launch plan here on this tool if you use this Ignition. So these are the things, guys. You can create your audience persona here. You can create, or you can keep track what are the problem you are solving for your customer. You can keep track here your marketing budget. You can keep track here the key metrics and KPIs. You can target your audience by using this tool. You can keep track the messagings with your audience basically from here. So these are the things. I hope you get the idea on this launch plan, guys. After that, they have copy asset. So if I go to this copy asset, now I'll generate some copy asset here, and this asset will be generated depending on your launch plan. See, here are the launch plan, and on this launch plan, the things that you will keep here, according to these things, this copy asset will be generated automatically using the AI of Ignition, guys. See, these are the assets. See, depending on my launch plan, these are the assets that I need for my business. It's generated automatically. Now if you need more asset, then you can add just by clicking here add option, but it will generate automatically a lot of asset for you. See, there have 140 character copy, and then there have social ad image or videos. That means the image or videos that you need for social ad, you can keep these things here. And then Facebook ad primary text, Facebook headline within 40 character, Facebook description within 30 character. That means how many character you need if you want to run FB ads, or how many character you need if you want to run Google ads. It will also instruct these things here. See, and see on this launch plan section, I have been added my FB ads. That's why this FB ads options are added on this asset section basically. So these are the things. After that, they have asset for press release, press kit, press fact sheet, co-marketing asset, update website design. So these are the things. You can add these things basically from here. See, there have options. Just click here and add the assets from here. I'm not adding the assets basically, but you can add these things, and you can upload the asset from here. Also, you can delete the asset if you need, and you can download the asset also from here if you have any asset. So these are the things, guys. On this copy and asset section, you will have a complete package before launching your product if you use this tool. Because if you have these types of template, definitely you will write the 140 character copy for your business. You will write the social ad primary text here. You will write the Facebook headline within 40 character here, and you will design your social ad image and videos here, and you will keep all these things here. So all the things that you need for launching your product or your feature will be added here or will be stored here. And then your work is, or your team members work is, just to copy and paste these things on the right place. So these are the things in this copy and asset feature, guys. I hope you get the idea. After that, they have task option. So if I go to this task option, it will also work as a task manager. So people generally buy product just for task manager, but if you get this Ignition, guys, it will also work as a task manager also. So I'm generating some task here, and it will generate task according to your launch plan basically. So that means it will not generate task just randomly, it will generate task according to your launch plan. That means the launch plan that you will be added, that you will be added on this launch plan section. Here on this task option, according to your need, this task will be added. See, these are the tasks that has been added according to my need. Write long copy, write release notes, create product screenshot, collect and finalize customer testimonial, then finalize user journey and lead routing, setup tracking or attribution, train customer facing team, then develop technical plan. So there have added a lot of tasks, see, to launch my product. So these are the things. And see, there also they have been added subtasks, so you can add subtask also. And here have option, let me show you. See, here have option for pre-planning, strategy, and then messaging, briefing, execution, launch, read lines. That means this task is related to which of this option or which of these tags. So these are the things. You can here categorize your task according to different tags basically. And after that, the other thing is here have the option for deadline. See, here are the deadline for your task. You can set up the deadline for your task also. And here have option by which you can assign this task to your team member. Suppose this task is assigned by this person and this task will be assigned to this person. So you can assign any task to your any team member from here. After that, if I go to these three dots, you can create subtask from here. You can duplicate it, you can assign it to a tag, and you can delete it also. So these are the things. After that, if I click here on this bullet icon, from here you can select if it is on to do, if it is on in progress, if it is in review, or if it is done. Suppose it's done, so I'm selecting here done. And suppose this one is in progress, so I'm selecting here in progress. And this one is in review, so I'm selecting here in review. So these are the things. And another thing is, suppose you have been using another task management tool already. Now what you are using, just click here integration and then click here import, and see here have the popular task management platform Asana, Monday, Rike, and ClickUp. So if you use any of this task management tool previously, then you can import your task just in one click, just by clicking. Suppose you are using Asana for your task management, just click here Asana and you can import all the tasks having on your Asana dashboard here basically. And if you need more integration for your task management, then you can contact to them through here. But these are the most popular task management features or task management software, guys, that people are use basically. So these are the things here available. I hope you get the idea. Here are integrations for task, and there have a lot of integration, and these are the integrations for task management basically. So these are the things, guys, here on this launch plan. You will get these features on this launch plan option, and it's a complete package. It will give you a complete package to launch your product. So these are the things. After that, the next feature is the competitor research. And now you can research here competitors. See, if I go to this competitive intel, then here you can add the company name. Suppose the competitor is appsumo.com, so I'm adding here appsumo.com. And then if I add these things, see, it will automatically extract data from online about their website name, their location, their company type, and their Twitter handle, their total funding, total number of employee, and annual revenue, and their LinkedIn profile. These things I have not added, guys. These things has been added automatically whenever I inserted the domain name of my competitor. So I hope you get the idea. And here are the tags. That means these are the tags related to this company basically. See, and here in this three dot, here have option for delete. You can delete it. And also if I click here on this talking points, see, here have talking points. If I go to these talking points, see, here you can add their strengths, you can add their weakness, you can add how you can win with them. And here have watchouts. That means what should we avoid talking about because they have an advantage. And here you can keep track what products do they sell, you can keep track how do they price their products, how does that compared to our pricing. You can keep track these things. You can add more block here just by clicking here on this add option. You can add more things here basically. So you can add in this way your competitor on your dashboard, and you can keep track of their annual revenue, their number of total employee, their type. So these are the things guys here. I hope you get the idea. After that, the last option is this release note. So if I go to this release note, you can add here your release note basically. So here there have two types of release note. The first one is internal only and the second one is public. So you can add here internal only release note that will be shown to you and your team members, and you can add here public release note that will be shown to publicly basically. So suppose I'll add here one release note, so I'm adding it, and then suppose this is release note 1, and here you can add tag. Suppose this is tag 1. You can add any tag here. Suppose this is tag 1, I'm adding this tag. And here suppose the release note description, I'll get some description from here. Suppose this is the description, so I'm pasting it. So these are the things. And then you can select your project. As in my dashboard there only have one launch plan, beta test 1.1, that's why it's by default selected. But if you have multiple launch plan, then you have to select these things from here, and you can select it internal only or public. And here have the option, and that means these are the person who have been created this release note. Suppose if I select here internal only, it will be shown only to you and your team member. But if you select public, then it will be shown publicly basically. So I am selecting here public, and whenever I have been selected public, it will go to this tab. Now if I go to this public tab, see, this is basically the release note that will be shown publicly, and you can duplicate it, you can delete from here. Now one question here arises, how this will be shown to publicly. To show this page publicly, you have to customize these things basically. And to customize, just click on your workspace from here, and then here go to this release note option, and see here have the option for your website link. This is the website link, and you can add here your custom domain. See, this is the option to add your custom domain, and you can add here your CNAME. But now I'm not adding the custom domain and CNAME, but this is the website link by default. So I'm copying this website link, and I'll open it in new window, and I'll show you how it will look like. And it is saying that it's 404 not found. I'm not sure why it's 404. Okay, I have to make it live, so I'm making it live. See, I'm selecting live, and then if I go to open it, and still it's saying that 404 not found. I'm not sure why they're saying that it's 404 not found. Here you can add widget, you can change basically the color from here. These are the only widget they're offering right now, and it's live. See, I'm copying this link again, I'm saving all the things from here, and then I'm copying this link, and I'll try to open it again from here. Let me open it. Okay, now it's live. See, your page will be shown in this way publicly. See, here will be shown all the tags you have. In my case, I have only one tag. People can select only this tag, and people can see the release notes available for this tag, and people can search the releases from here. And here people will see the release notes and the title here, date here, tag here they will see, and the person who has been added this release note, it will be shown here basically. See, it's little bit professional, not very professional, but it's okay. So these are the things guys, your release notes will be shown in this way here. I hope you get the idea. After that, if I go back, and then here have launch calendar. See, here on this calendar you can keep track all the launching feature that you will launch in future. Just select the date from here and add your things basically. After that, they have product roadmap, and in this feature you have to connect these things basically for your product roadmap. Suppose you have your product roadmap on Jira, or on Linear, or on Roadmonk, or on product board. Just select these things from here, and you can import this product roadmap from here basically. So these are the things. After that, there is the release notes option that I have been discussed previously guys. and these are the whole idea behind this tool. And if you think you need all this feature within one single software, this road mapping feature, planning feature, documentation feature, task management and task feature, asset management feature, collaboration feature, then definitely you can get this lifetime deal from AppSumo. And as of now, I'm recording this video, it just launched today on AppSumo. And if you think, guys, you need this tool or this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this tool from AppSumo. I'll give the link of Ignition lifetime deal in the description of this video, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.